Hello, David here, and the project for today is repairing a loose dashboard vent on a 98 Ford Contour. If you remember, I did a review of this Van Mass cell phone holder. I'll put the link in the upper corner for YouTube. It won't be there for Rumble because Rumble doesn't have that editing feature, at least not that I know of. If you know a way to add a link to a Rumble after the video's been uploaded, please let me know. Anyway, I've been very happy with this Van Mass cell phone holder, not a sponsor. It grips the vent like a bulldog. However, when the phone is attached to the cell phone holder, it adds more weight to the whole shebang, and the vent can't handle it. What happens when you hit a big bump? That happens, and that's not good. The weight of the vent, the cell phone holder, and the cell phone is 15.6 ounces. There's no problem with the design of the vent. The vent is just not designed to hold this much weight. It never falls off when the cell phone is not in there. And the design by Ford is just a simple peg that goes into that slot, and it just kind of clips in place like that. The weight of the cell phone holder always has my vent pointing downward. But anyway, I've been thinking of a solution. Take off this side too. Look inside of here. I was thinking of using a zip tie, and you don't want to zip tie this butterfly valve because that's the on-off valve to cut the flow of heat or cooling. But this post is here, and I'm thinking I could put a zip tie around this post and take it out through one of the vents. So I've got a zip tie. An ideal zip tie would be black to fit in with the color of the vent, but I don't have black. All I have are white zip ties. Having one a little bit longer would be helpful as well. So with my kind of luck, I'm going to hit a bump and it's going to pull out this whole post, but hopefully that won't happen. I think it should add a little strength between the post and the peg that's holding the vent in. My thought is to just take this thing off. Let's remember which vein I'm on. I'm on the bottom vein there. I took the liberty to put a fold in the zip tie to help get around the post. And whichever vein you choose and cinch up, it's going to determine which way the direction of the airflow is going to go. So if you do a lower one, it's going to be down. If you do a higher one, it's going to point up. Let's try that one. So I'm curious, if I do it, I could take this in and lead it through here, or I could lead it the way it is around the side. But if I do that, my question is, will the other vent fit? Let's try it. Gonna hold it in place. See if that pops in. No, I think it's a little loose. So I'm gonna lead both sides through, if possible. Okay, got it. That snapped in. cell phone holder back in, which is clamped. It's clamped clockwise, okay? Put that in clockwise on the clamp. Put my cell phone in there. You know, I don't want to flip it with the phone in there. Yeah, that's much better. It's not going to fall out now. And the position on this is adjustable. There's a ball joint on the back of this, so I could always play with that. So that is my fix. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell to help out my algorithms. Bye now.